The habitats of Georgia. Did you know there are 5 habitats in Georgia?
The mountain habitat is located in northern Georgia. It is very mountainous with rocky soil. The Piedmont habitat is just south of the mountains. This region has many hills and the soil is mostly clay. The swamp and marsh habitat is located in southeastern Georgia. The Okefenokee Swamp, which is the largest freshwater swamp, is found here. The coastal plains make up the southern half of Georgia. This habitat is a low, flat area with sandy soil. The Atlantic Ocean habitat is located along the southeast border of Georgia. This habitat is the largest body of water in the world.
What kinds of animals live in the mountain habitat?
Black bear,
Bobcat. And fish like trout call the mountain habitat home.
what types of plants are in the mountain habitat?
Eastern hemlock tree.
And evergreen trees grow in the mountains habitat.
What types of plants live in the Piedmont habitat?
The Piedmont mostly has pine trees, but hickory trees also grow here.
Well, what kind of animals live in the Piedmont habitat?
There are spotted salamanders,
Squirrels,
beavers, and birds like the cardinal. What about the swamp and marsh habitat? What kinds of animals live there? Alligators, river otter, frogs, dragonflies, and even the mosquitoes call the swamp and marsh habitat home.
What about the plants that live in this swamp and marsh habitat? You can also find cypress trees and cattails in the swamp and marsh.
What kinds of plants are there in the coastal plains?
The coastal plains habitat has beautiful live oak trees.
What kind of animals call the coastal plain home? Rattlesnakes, raccoons, and even gopher tortoises live in coastal plains.
Do you know what kind of animals live in the Atlantic Ocean habitat?
The loggerhead turtle. And lots of fish like the flounder feel at home in the Atlantic Ocean.
What kinds of plants live in the Atlantic Ocean habitat? Gray's coral reef,
Seaweed. And algae is also found in the ocean habitat.
So, what habitat do we live in?
the Piedmont.